The amount of pressure that is put on students to succeed in their studies has increased exponentially. The fear of failure and the constant feeling of not being good enough have led many students to abandon their dreams in favor of a more stable career. It is time for this cycle to be broken. In this video, we will explore 5 signs you have a strong mindset and how to make it even stronger. A strong mindset is a key to success in any domain. However, because entrepreneurship requires a complete commitment, it's important to know if you have the right mindset for this line of work. Here are 5 signs that show you have a strong mindset. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and never miss a video, but please don't forget to press the like button and share with your friends. It's a pleasure for us to rejoin our channel. In this video, we will explore 5 signs you have a strong mindset and how to make it even stronger. These signs can help serve as reminders that you are on the right path to success in your life. Let's go. Sign number 1. You don't give up when faced with challenges. We are all faced with challenges. At times, they may seem insurmountable. It is easy to give up and stop trying. But that is not the right answer. You must fight through the challenges, even when it seems like there is no hope or light at the end of the tunnel. You just need to keep your head up and keep pushing forward. Thomas Edison is one of the most prolific inventors of all time. He famously said, "I have not failed 10,000 times. I have successfully found 10,000 ways that don't work." This quote teaches us that it is okay to fail, as long as you keep trying and never give up. Signs number 2.
You stay positive and keep your head up in the face of adversity. You don't need to be a professional athlete to understand the importance of keeping your head up in the face of adversity. This is a lesson that can be applied in all aspects of life, from work to school and even to relationships. In this video, we will explore how you can keep your head up and stay positive when faced with difficult challenges. No matter how hard life gets, you need to stay positive. You need to keep your head up in the face of adversity. It is important not to give up, even when it feels like there is no way out.
Signs number 3.
You don't let people or circumstances dictate your mood or attitude. If you want to live an authentic life, you must be able to control your attitude. You can't let other people or circumstances dictate your mood or attitude. You have the power to choose how you want to react and respond in any given situation. You have the power to control your own destiny. Don't let anything stop you from chasing your dreams and achieving your goals. You have the power to step up and be a leader.
Signs number 4.
Being risk-seeking and brave often means being vulnerable in some way. Being risk-seeker and brave often means being vulnerable in some way. It requires taking a chance that may not always pay off, but when it does, the rewards can be so much greater than the risk. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you allow yourself to grow as an individual. The saying "no pain, no gain" applies to being risk-seeking and brave. Being vulnerable is a part of the process of taking these sorts of risks. Every time you take a risk, there is the possibility that you will fail, but it's also possible that you'll succeed. Each time you take a risk, try to think about how things could play out in both positive and negative ways.
Signs number 5.
You move on. You don't waste time feeling sorry for yourself. When we are faced with adversity, it is natural to feel sorry for ourselves. However, this can go on indefinitely and keep us from moving forward. Instead of feeling sorry for ourselves, we should focus on what we can do to improve our situation. We take a deep breath and keep going. The past is the past, and no matter how much we might wish it wasn't, what can change it? It doesn't matter what happened yesterday or last year or 10 years ago. The only thing that matters is what we do today and tomorrow.
If you spot these 5 signs, you can say, "Now I have a strong mindset." I'm always here to share helpful information with you guys. See you soon in my next video.